If you want to know how leading brands are using augmented reality to get miles ahead when it comes to customer experience, then this is the right video for you. And if you like the ideas in this video and you want to apply augmented reality into your business, keep watching for a sneak peek into Paper Balloon, my software service that helps e-commerce brands enhance their customer experience with augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that blends digital elements with the real world, making it a powerful tool for businesses, especially in retail and in e-commerce. First, let's look at IKEA. You don't have to be an expert to know that picking furniture online is a challenge. Will it fit in your room? Will it match your aesthetics? It's hard to tell just by looking at a picture. These factors often cause customers to hesitate and even put off the purchase. IKEA solved this issue for everyone with augmented reality when they created an app that allows customers to see how furniture fits into their space anytime, anywhere. The furniture then appears in 3D and in life size, reducing hesitation and the hassle of potential returns. And it's not just the furniture industry. Dulux's AR app lets you test paint colors on your walls, ensuring the perfect match every time. Both these use cases makes the customer experience infinitely better, since it saves customers the trouble of having to plan a store visit and possibly returning the item later. It makes them feel way more confident to purchase something online, and so it actually boosts online conversions. If you want an AR enhanced experience for your customers and increase conversions while reducing product returns, then make sure you hop on our website, Paper Balloon, my augmented reality try before you buy software that any e-commerce store can plug into their website without coding. So book a consultation with us. Because AR solves the physical challenges of online shopping, it also shapes the future of e-commerce in a pretty big way. For example, Ray-Ban's website has an augmented reality try-on feature that lets customers try on their glasses from anywhere in real size. Tiffany & Co. offers an AR experience where customers can try on bracelets, making luxury online shopping seamless, personal, and most importantly, convenient. Because AR solves the physical challenges of online shopping, users can try on items immediately and share it with their friends or opinions without needing to go into a shop or be physically in the same place at the same time. Whereas before, online shopping can feel like a siloed task, augmented reality now makes it a shareable and collaborative experience. It accelerates the decision-making process, and this usually results in conversions and makes shopping a more connected and social experience. If you want to turn your e-commerce customer journey into a connected social experience and reap all the benefits we just talked about in this video, make sure you visit Paper Balloon. We created a software that offers augmented reality shopping for furniture, eyewear, footwear, and wristwear brands. Paper Balloon can be easily integrated into any website with little to no coding. So just like all these leading brands that we looked at today, you can reduce customer hesitation and decrease product returns. So make sure you head over to our website and book that consultation. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and comment below what else you want to know about augmented reality so I can make more informative videos like this. Until next time.